That seems like a drop. That's a drop. Nah? Here, go forward a little bit, bro, because look, there's a lot of water. There's a lot of water movement, and it could have dug out the bottom, right? So let's just check it. See where the fuck this trail even goes. Like, what the fuck is here? Some kind. Oh, a little bit of a drop here. Oh, fuck it. Should be good. You never know, man. Never know. Oh, fucking current strong here, buddy. Holy shit. I put it in low, maybe. Get the belt to work some high range. Some higher RPM, you know? Get the belt to work up higher. You seem to be doing fine. Boom, drops. Yeah, buddy. Holy shit. This is fucking awesome.
Don't we have to turn around there anyways?
Yeah, there's somebody's house there.
The river's there, the lake's there.
Yeah.
Turn around.
Yeah, turn around, head back the way. Game? This right here. Fucking with that bottle, baby. It's amazing what washes up around in these swamps. Pretty sure we're pretty good with the snorkels, baby. Not getting much in between. A lot's coming through the front, but you can go pretty deep, I think. There's Buddy right there. This is fucking dope. Buddy, it's like fucking an Argo in this bitch right now, buddy. Oh, she's getting deep there. Oh yeah, she's getting deep. She's getting deep, boys. She's gonna keep her going. Oh, she's gonna get deep right here. Oh yeah. Power to the people, baby. I think we're a little bit deep. And I think it hit the ECU, the water.
What?
No, I think the water hit the ECU. The water hits the ECU and it does this sometimes.
What?
The water hits the computers in the front.
What's it doing though?
Oh, just in limp mode. I'm just gonna turn it off and it should just start back up.
Is it limp mode?
Yeah, let it turn off for a second. Should be no problem. Yeah, it's gone. Scared to pin it still. Don't want to break anything. Don't want to destroy the belt. Where does this guy want to go? He wants to go there? Let's go over there. It's okay, you can always buy another Can-Am, right boys? Come on. Right? Nope. There we go. Shall we go in? Hope my secondary clutch is tightened properly. I didn't torque it. Kind of went by hand there. I don't know if that was a good idea. I usually do torque them. Never had a problem with them coming out. It's going let's see where that takes them. This is pretty dope. This is pretty dope. Oh yeah. This is a fucking amazing adventure, boys. Let's see if we can get the front end up, boys. Nope, this won't do it.
Fucking deep.
Huh?
Fucking
Deep?
deep. Yeah.
What's fucking over there, buddy? Shit's starting to look sketchy.
Yeah.
Wonder where my jewel is. Probably left it at home. Hope you're
It's
okay.
really shallow there. Let's go there.
Yeah, we can drive through here. I'm pretty sure this is where that big swamp is right here, Merrick.
Yeah.
Remember how during the summer it's like all there's no water up here normally.
Yeah, we drive in there.
And we can drive in here and then there it goes into a river there kind of and up too. But yeah, we can go here, but I think it goes to the guy's house and we'll eventually be turning back around anyways. But yeah, we can go there, check it out. Do it.
Wait, this is the stronger on the board?
Huh?
Where the fuck are we right now?